everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the super cute trending photo effect called the Childlike sketch style using Google News AI tool Nano Banana inside Gemini. In here, you don't need any extra apps, just your photo and a few words in the prompts. And okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this. And then if you are not signed in yet, just log in using your Google account. And then once you're in, just tap on create image to activate the Nano Banana. Or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images. Like this. This is Google News feature that lets you edit or create images instantly just by tapping a prompt. Next, just upload your photo. You can use any selfie or a portrait or a group photo, but important thing, just make sure your face is clear and well lit for the best result. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then now this is the magic part. Let's writing the prompt. But before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy it. This prompt will turn your photo into something that looks like it came straight out of a kid's sketchbook. It will super fun and full of colors. And then you can just copy my prompt, like just screenshot it and then using the Google Lens you can copy it and then just paste it to your prompt box. But feel free if you want to tweak the prompt to match your style, to match your detail that you like. Next, I will just copy my prompt. And then I will go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, in just a few seconds, you will get the cute type like sketch like this. Just look at this, how cute is this? It really looks like a hand drawing doodle. Your photo just turned into a cheerful cartoon world like this. I love the pencil texture and then the notebook background on it. So super cute. And okay, that's it. You have just made your own child-like sketch AI photo using Gemini. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!